Let's learn the letter E. The letter E makes two sounds, and E. Today we're going to learn about an egg. Egg starts with the letter E, and it makes the sound. Egg. Using our Play-Doh, we are going to fill in a hard-boiled egg. We have finished the yolk of the egg. The yolk of the egg is yellow. The rest of the egg is white, and most eggshells are white too. So we're just going to outline it with black Play-Doh. Great job, my friends! We're almost finished outlining our egg. Boys and girls, you can cook eggs in many different ways. But guess what? The way you cook an egg changes the nutrients inside. Hard-boiled eggs are better for your heart because they are lower in cholesterol. Boys and girls, what other words can you think of that start with the letter E? How about earth or elephant? Good job, boys and girls. Can you think of any other words? You're right! Excellent! But don't forget, boys and girls, that the letter E makes two sounds, and E. What other words can you think of that begin with the letter E and make the E sound? I've got one! What about an eagle? I have another one, boys and girls. How about an ear? Can you point to your ear? Good job! Boys and girls, thank you for learning the letter E with me today, and also for learning all about eggs. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!